Yes, our beauty.
Come follow me to a secret place.
Hello guys, good morning. Whew, I just got home. This is after 6 now. It's almost to 7 also because traffic on the road. So I just got home. You guys remember this video? I said this video. So this is not the one we'll be using at the shop. We have those normal gas listen there. So whew, and again, imagine this one, that my small kitchen at the shop. So I'll just drop it at home till further notice. So I'll just prepare and yeah, get ready for shop later. I want to go and sleep some more. So yeah, this is clothes I wash towards during the week. So if I rest more, prepare, we're going back to the shop.
Much later.
So guys, good afternoon. I'm at the shop right now, okay? Guys, don't mind me, I'm still putting on white. The thing is, I love white so much. White is actually my favorite color. Okay, that's why most of my videos, if you guys notice at the shop, I'm always wearing white. I don't know, even though some people will be like, upon saying they cook for kitchen, you're always wearing white. I don't know, white is my favorite color. I'm going to be showing you guys some random things we are going to be doing. And today, by the special grace of God, the big generator that is giving us issues, we have already paid someone to go and buy the engine. So by the grace of God, I'll be showing you guys when they will be fixing it. Yes, there is nothing God cannot do. Okay, so and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the vlog. Come, let me even show you your face on my vlog. This is our beauty. I said, come and say hi now. Also, hi. Why are you shy? You know the husband see you for here now. Yeah. Nah, yeah, you be like that. You fine. Come now, come and show them your market now. See me, this is my level study market. Keep on go chair, make them see them. Keep on top of the table. Hi! Come and buy, oh, come and buy. Oh my God, guys, can you see? Guys, look at how long they are. Guys, look.
Like a trailer, we no get break you. When you begin move, to stop am now. Wow.
Hey, this girl. Hi! I thought I should not go and post her. If I post you now, somebody decides to support this your business now, I will not give you the money. Sure you know. Guys, look at it. So yummy. Like looking at this akara now, I feel like drinking akamu. That's pap. Yeah. It's very nice. It's lovely.
Is the person seeing you?
See guys, it's already afternoon, but this akara, I want to take pap. When baby Casey was around, that was the last time I take pap. So now I feel like taking this pap, and it's afternoon already. So she said they are selling pap, so I asked her to go and get me pap. Okay?
Pap for this hot
yes, so I don't know that it just hungry me. I am fine. Come and see, I am fine.
Wait. Now that Eba. What do they call it?
I am fine.
Eba. Malaria, right?
What is Eba? Oh, malaria. No, but I'm fine.
What afternoon? When
Check
say
the akara and see the reason I want to drink pap. Check the akara. It makes sense.
I use your own drink. First, I will use my own drink.
Check it. It's lovely.
I'm going to use my own akara drink.
You always say better. At least hot sun now. You will take akara.
With cold.
Garri with cold pure water. Me now hot pap. Not true. The people bring a match in my mind. Let's see.
Just believe in a better tomorrow. God will bless us one day.
The girl no one show for camera. She's a very shy type. Yeah, guys. So the pap is here right now.
Come on,
guys. This is the pap. It's very small inside, but it will go a long way. Are you taking? Let me see what's at the time. Wow, this is 1:30. Guys, we came out late because you guys know it's this morning I got home, so we just opened the shop now. We'll be arranging the place. Okay, so when we go to, I just decided to rest a little bit because if we not rest, we won't have strength to do the night work again. The place, I'll go and make my pap now.
Hunger no good.
So guys, come and eat. This akara is very nice. Look at it. Try it. Guys, so two, I am taking pap. It's not my fault. The akara is too nice, and it's the long I take pap. Since I noticed it's only me, I prepare one wrap. And that one wrap, one is 15 naira, so I bought 100 naira on, so I prepare only one. So, we are finished arranging the whole plate now. Somebody's son is taking his own with Fanta. It's nice with Fanta, especially in the afternoon like this. But I don't know why I can't dey grab for pap.
Very cold.
Very cold.
Like a job.
Yeah, the rice and beans here. Make I put it for you. Yeah, the rice and beans here. I bet you want more stew. Mama put the rice and beans here.
I've not started spending it though. They bought one yesterday. This is another one. What is this? Ah, I beg go. Mary, come and give me water. So guys, this is it though. They don't spend them. So in case we have colo, go and break it. Take the money to the bank or start spending it so that you have this fake one. Take the original one to the bank or start spending the original one so that you start using the fake one. Because the original one, they say they will not be using it again very soon. Is this fake that we'll be using now? So this is what they are spending now. So I'm going to just boil water from. Let me go and show you where he put it.
Don't be so proud of who you are, what you are, and the things you have. For the world is very strange, things will always change, life changes all the time. Don't be so proud of
So guys, the guy wants to pay the generator. So he came back late from the market from Ladipo. So I'll be showing you guys when he'll be fixing it tomorrow because he's already late. He can't fix it today again.
life changes all the time. Life changes all the time. Don't be so proud of who you are, what you are, and the things you have. For the world is very strange, things will always change, life changes all the time.
This blender, guys, we are closed now. This is tomatoes. I'll be making this stew tomorrow. So this blender, like it when somebody's son is using it more than me. If I'm using it, the blender will be misbehaving. But maybe somebody's son touch it, man, the brain will come back. So now, I was done doing it before. I never even blend and reach anywhere. The thing started to misbehave. Somebody's on touch is working. So we are packing now. Everywhere is dark. So see you guys tomorrow. Okay, thank you so much for watching.
The next day.
Buy this one, another one, and this one.
Every day, I see the goodness of God. I see the goodness of God. Everywhere I go, everything I see, everything I see. Everywhere I look and turn, I see the goodness of God to me. Goodness of God to me. Everywhere I go, everything I see, yeah, 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 yeah. Everywhere I look and turn, I see the goodness of God.